Hello friends, I am Malav Patel and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I again come with my new video, and in this video I am going to tell you about 10 more free Udemy courses which are available at free of cost, and after completing these courses you will also get the certificate of completion which will be helpful to you in your interviews and jobs or for internships, etc, etc. So without wasting any sort of time, let's just begin. But before we begin, I want to tell my those friends who don't know about Udemy that it is a e-learning platform which provides free courses on various types of topics like IT, finance, personal development, business management, health and fitness, photography, music, and many others. So it's a high time to move to our first course. Our first course is on electronic components. In this course, you will learn about concepts of voltage, resistance, and current, and also you will learn how to calculate this with the help of Ohm's law. Also, you will learn about concepts of capacitor, transistor, resistors, and how to use them. So, this is a 3-hour course and available for only 6 hours at free. Now, let's move towards our second course. Our second course is on browser task automation. In this course you will learn about how to do browser task automation and do your works very quick, scalable, and professionally. So this is also a good course. It's approximately about half an hour. So now let's discover our third course. Our third course is on SEO. In this course you will learn how to write high quality SEO articles and how to attract audience with that. It's also half an hour course and available for free for only 7 hours. Now our fourth course is on entrepreneurship. In this course you will learn how to find and create innovative products and ideas, how to reach to more people, and by that ultimately increase your revenue and income. So it's also good course available for 22 hours and it's a good 4-hour. So our fifth course is on keto diet. In this course you will learn how to follow a healthy diet, and you can also know how to increase your metabolism and maintain a good health. So it's also good course. It's only 1 hour, very short course. Anybody can enroll for it for free, and it's available for 22 hours. After 22 hours you have to pay a certain amount of price to enroll for this course. So it is available for free right now. You can enroll for it. Now let's discover our sixth course. Our sixth course is on AutoCAD. This is actually not a course but a practical exam, and this will cover practically 10 questions. So if you have a knowledge of AutoCAD you can enroll for this course, but here no details about certificate of completion, so you will not get the certificate. But if you want to test your knowledge, if you want to improve your knowledge about this, so you can enroll for it. More than 4,000 students have got enrolled. So it's also a good course if you have the knowledge of AutoCAD. Now let's discover our seventh course. Our seventh course is on basically digital marketing. This course you will learn about various techniques to drive traffic to your website. So if you have a website or whether it is on a blog or in digital marketing, or whether it is a content writing, anything, you will learn about how to drive the traffic from various social networks. You will also learn about how to get more YouTube views, likes, and subscribers. You can also learn about how to target a specified Facebook users on a certain niche. So it's a good course. It's a 1 hour on demand course, so very short course available for free right now in Udemy. So you can get a certificate of completion of these short courses, and also you can learn new things very quickly. So it's also a good course. Now let's discover our eighth course. Our eighth course is for bloggers. In this course you will learn about how to make a professional website without coding. So if you are a blogger and you want to create a blog on your own website, so it's a good course for you. In this course you will learn about how you can make a website for blogging without any coding knowledge, without any professional knowledge. So it's only 1 hour course, and you don't have any requirements, so you have just to watch the videos and do what they say, and after that you will also get the completion certificate. Here coupon codes are showing, but you don't have to worry about it. I will provide direct link to you in the description, so you just have to click on my link and go to the course. Now let's move to our ninth course. Our ninth course is on t-shirt business. In this course you will learn about how to choose a right t-shirt design, how to build a profitable t-shirt business. So it's a good course for a passive income building. So if you want to do a second business, a part-time business, so it's a good course for you. You can learn about how the t-shirt business works, how you can do specifically customized t-shirts, and how to upload the t-shirt designs, etc, etc. So it's also half an hour course, and available for only 7 hours at free. Now let's move to our last course. Our last course is on webinar. In this course you will learn how to deliver the webinar at best. In this course you will learn how to prepare for a webinar, how to choose people, how to choose audience, etc. In this course you will learn how to maintain your body language, how to speak fluently, etc. So it's also a good course. It's a 1.5 hour course, and after that you will also get the completion certificate, and it's available for only 22 hours. So friends, that's it for today. You will get all the links of free course in the description, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so you will never miss any courses and get the free courses before the coupons expire. Also join my Telegram channel to get more updates about such courses. In my Telegram channel I also upload some short courses which are available at free and which are very short term available. So please join my Telegram channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.